Okay, so the 2-year-old daughter had a party. So that's her. Notice the dress here, dress here. It'll be important later. But we got a beautiful hand-painted cake. We've got an excessive balloon design and a cutout thing. Someone had to make that. These wonderful gifts. I don't know, but I want one. One thing perplexing though was the shutters. Like I don't, first of all, is that Mad Hatter or Alice in Wonderland? I don't remember it being a part of that, so I'm a little confused as to why they're there. So this is a marvelous work of plastic ivy. All right, we had a balloon artist, and the daughter had a change of clothes. There's Christy and her husband. Her ice sculpture. I don't know what that is, but it looks like it was a crazy thing for someone to make. Another day in the life of the Strasses.